In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the timecode in CapCut. Timecode is the reference that tells you exactly where you are in your edit. It's essential for making precise cuts, syncing audio, and sharing exact notes with collaborators. By setting it the way you prefer, you'll work faster and avoid confusion when reviewing or exporting your project. First, open CapCut and load the project you want to work on. Make sure you're in the main editor view, with your timeline visible at the bottom and your preview window up top. If you're opening CapCut for the first time or switching devices, give the app a moment to fully load your assets so everything updates correctly in the timeline. Next, head to Settings. Look for the gear icon, typically in the top corner of the interface. If your window is small, the Settings option might be tucked under a menu, so expand the window or look for a three-dot menu. Clicking Settings opens a panel where you control how CapCut behaves and how your interface displays key information. Inside Settings, go to the Edit section, then locate the timecode area. This is where you choose how time is displayed in your timeline ruler and in the playhead readout. The setting doesn't change your actual edit timing, it just changes how that timing is presented to you. Now choose your preferred timecode format. Many editors like the traditional hours, minutes, seconds, and frames format, often shown as HHMM, SSFF, because it maps directly to your project's frame rate. If you're editing music videos, lip syncs, or anything where frame precision matters, that's a great choice. If you're collaborating with clients or teammates who refer to time in minutes and seconds, you may prefer a seconds-based display. Just remember that frames depend on your project's frame rate, 24, 25, 30, or others. So HHMSSFF gives you the most precise control when matching cuts to beats or transitions. Consistency is key. Pick one format and use it across your projects so everyone speaks the same timing language. When you're happy with your selection, click Save. Your timeline and the time display next to the play button will update immediately. This change won't affect your exported video. It only affects how you view and reference timing while editing. If you don't see the update right away, close the Settings panel and reopen your project view. That's it. Open CapCut, go to Settings, open the Edit section, adjust your timecode, and save. With the right timecode format in place, your edits will be more accurate, your notes will be clearer, and your workflow will feel much smoother.